All right, so this is CapCut. Okay, you just have to install it, CapCut for Windows from your browser. Okay, okay, so this is how it's going to look like. So it's going to bring you here. So what you need to do now is you don't need a sophisticated editing now. All you need is just cut and join, drag and drop. So the basic one is what I'm going to show you. So you click this import to bring in the video that you want to edit, or let me look for a video and bring in. Let me say I want to edit. Let me choose a video. Uh, okay, let me look for a video. Okay, let me say this is the video that I want to edit. Like I can drag and drop it here, or I click the import, this import, to bring it in. Okay, now this is the project. Now if you click this plus icon, you bring the video to the timeline, and then you start editing it. Let me say you want to cut it. If you want to cut, make sure the video is highlighted, right? If it is highlighted like this, then you just have to go ahead and click this tool, this split. Look at it very well. Split. You click it. If you click it, this video will split. The video will cut into two, right? Anywhere you put it. Same apply here. And or you press Control B. Control B. You can also cut it. You see? Now I've cut it. Now I've cut the video into into three, right? So that is how to go about. Control Z to undo anything that you have done. Okay. And then let me say you want to merge two video, right? Let me say this video I want to add another video. I want to merge them together, right? I'll have to go ahead and bring in a new video. I'll drag it and I can put it here or take it here. Then I'll click the plus icon to bring it. So after this one, the video will not be one.
Please relate my ex-wife.
So now I made these two videos together, and you can also switch it. If you want this one to comfort, you hold right click to shift it like this. Okay, and then what you need to know again is when it comes to sound, right? If I click this video now, and if you look at my arrow very well, if you see now this arrow can turn to like if you look at my cursor, right? Now look at it. It turns to kind of like arrow, right? If I drag it up or down, I'm reducing or increasing the volume. Okay, that is what you want to do with the sound. And at the same time here, if you see here also, this is audio. If you anything that have to do with audio on this particular clip, you can actually adjust it here. You see, I can increase the audio here or reduce it here also, or I can make it fade in, fade out. I can do that. And also if I want to reduce noise, maybe we are recorded the video, there's noise, I can reduce it here. Okay, and also speed. If you want to increase the speed of the video, you can always do it here also. Like I increase it now. Watch this video very well and see what will happen. See the way it is going. The way it is going like this. If I want to increase the speed, I can increase it here. Now the video will not be moving very, very fast. So that is how to go about the speed. So that is the speed. See the way the video was very, very fast. So that is the speed. And animation, this one is when you want to animate logo, all those stuff. Okay, that one is advanced. Let's not do it for now. And then video, all those stuff. Okay, now another thing again is overlay. That's another thing that you need to do. You need to know. So overlay is when you put a video or image on top video. That is overlay. Maybe image on image, or video on video, or video on image, or image on video. So that is overlay. Right now, like now, look at this video. Let me bring image so that you see. let's say this image, I put this image here, overlay, you right click, like long press, like right click, and then you drag it. Now I've overlaid this. Now see it.
Who are you looking for? Food delivery for Mr. Ade. You're late.
You
I've
see?
been waiting. Trap.
You see the way this image is now on top the video. Look at it. You can always adjust it. So I put the image on top, and you can adjust it from here, reduce or increase it. So that is overlay. Put it anywhere you want to put it. And the same process, you can put this image here and then put this video on top of the image. Now let me increase this image and see. Now there is video on top image. Now look at the image. If my image is large, this video, now I can increase this video, I can make the video small or big. Now this is video. You see, I can now play around with the video. So this is overlay. So the main thing that I want you to know is the cut and join. Okay, that is this split. That is what you need mostly when you do your video. All you will need for now is this cut and join. Okay, you cut the video, maybe you record the video, there's some part that I don't want. Any part that you don't want, all you need to do is to, for example, let me say, look, what is it?
Last delivery today.
I pause this part that this guy said this. If I want to cut it out, I just split it, and then here, this one I don't want it, I can delete it. Okay, you click delete on your keyboard, or you click this is delete. You select it, you can select it, and then look at this delete, then you can always delete it. So that is it about this one. And if you want to add audio to your video, maybe background music, all those stuff, you see, you have to bring the audio here the same way that I bring this audio, right? You have to bring audio. Let me see if there's any audio on my system. I don't really have any audio. Okay, I don't have any audio. So, but let me show you. But if you want to add, if you want to bring in any audio, you just have to drag it and drop, and then you put the audio. You have to drag the audio like this and put it at the bottom. The way I put this in, you can put the video. The audio is going to be at the, if it is audio, it will enter the button. Okay, let's say now this one is image, so that's why it's just running up. Now let me say this is the audio. You drag the audio the way you want it. If you want to decrease the volume of the audio, you can always come here. If you select the audio, you can come here to do that. Okay, this is picture, so picture doesn't have audio. If you put it here, where if it is audio, as you highlight it, you will see audio. Then you adjust it, either reduce the volume or increase the volume. So that is it. If it is background music, all those stuff. But the main thing that I want you to know is the cut and join. Like, now let me delete this, because that's what you need when you generate the video. When you generate your video, or when you record your screen recording, and there's some part anywhere you made mistake or you don't want to show anything, all you will need is this cut and join. Select the video, and then you click split, and then the video will cut. Then select the part that you want to delete, and then click delete. And if it is in the middle, click delete. If it is in the middle that you want to remove it, let me say,
who are you looking for? Food delivery for Mr.
Okay, where the guy say, who are you looking for? Let me remove that part so that you see.
Are you looking for? Food delivery for Mr. Who
Now let me say, I'll split it. I want to remove that part.
are you looking for?
Okay, you see, by I split, I allow you to play that part. I cut it. Now I can remove that part. This is it. It's very small at the middle. If you hold the finger or your mouse, and then you adjust, you can zoom in. You can zoom in like this. See, you zoom it just like your two finger. Then if you hold your two finger on your mouse and then move it away from each other, you'll be able to delete it. You see, but it will zoom if there is any small, like you see, I can reduce it, I can increase it. Then you remove the parts from the middle, you delete it. You control either you just delete it from your keyboard, or you just here delete. You see, I've deleted it. So this is what you just need when you generate the video that you generate is going to be like 8 second, yes, 15 second, right? You can always come here. When you generate all the video, you bring all of them in the way I'm bringing it. Let me say I want to bring more in. I'll just click the file, I'll drag more file in. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I can always drag. Okay, let me see, I drag another one in. As you generate your video, it's going to be maybe 3 4. You always drag it in, and then you click the plus icon. You can drag it like this and put it, okay, or you click the plus icon. You make sure this white thing is here if you want to add it at the back here, and then you click this plus icon to make it at the middle there. So this is how you are going to be bringing your video in, remove, bring it in, remove and bring it in. All the video you generated, you just have to bring everything in, and then according to the way you generate it, so you have to bring it step by step, like first scene, second scene. Like if the video is 2, you bring the first one, you bring the second one, you bring the third one. So that's how to go about it. And then maybe before the video start, if there's any part that you need to cut, then you select the video where you want to cut. Let me say I want to cut this part. You pause. After you just let the part that you want to cut, you just play it immediately. That part end, then you just cut it. You split, and then you highlight it, and then you delete it. That's how to go about it. So this is what you need for now. And how to add the caption. If you want to add caption, you can always come here. Maybe I want to add caption to this video. You can always come here, look at its caption or text. If you click the caption, look at it, either English. If I say English, to automatically generate the caption. That is subtitle. Everything that they are saying is going to be writing here. But that's for the pro version. And if you want to do it manually, you can add any text. Let me say I want to add text. Now I've added. If you click here, you click plus icon. You have added the text. The text will be added. Now let me do it again so that you see plus icon. If you click text, if you click this plus icon, look at the text. Okay, you can then you come here. You are going to see here. You write what you want to write. Let me say I want to write hello. You see, it's showing here hello. Look at this text. I'm editing it. You bring it here. You bring it in here. Then you edit it from here. Look at this. You type it. Or if I want to add style, if I want to make it the fonts big, you see. If I want to like add the style, I can always add style here. Look at it. Add this style. You see, it's changing this, or effect or bubble. I can add all those things. Okay, but if you need a subtitle or auto subtitle, you can always do that also. If you are using the pro, you just click caption and then you click generate. Then this video will be subtitled automatically, like everything. Now let me do it. I don't want to do much. Let me just remove all this part. Then I'll do this one so that I see. Now let me see. I want to auto capture it. I can click generate. It will automatically generate the caption. Oh, I'm not connected to internet. Yeah, when you are connected to internet, it will automatically generate the caption for you. Okay, if I click generate, then everything they are saying is going to be writing at the screen. That is it. That's how to go about it. And then transition. Let me show you how to do the transition. What's transition? Transition is when the video is transiting from one point to another. The video is moving from one scene to another. If you want to add a transition to it, so you add it where two video meet, like that is the joint. You click this transition. Oh, I'm not connected to internet. Let me on my Wi-Fi so that I'll do that. Okay, so now look at the transition, look at how it works. Now that I'm connected, so when you click the transition, let's say reload. Okay, so now it's showing. So what you need to do is to bring in let me download this. For example, let me download this transition. It doesn't used to take time, it's my internet. Okay, now look at the transition. Now you drag it and drop it at the joint. Okay, at the joint of it. Okay, if you want to, if you don't want it to be long, you can always adjust it. See, you adjust it like this. Now look at what will happen. Look at the video.
You don't even
You see how the video transit by. You see how the transition of the video is. This one is actually from is when I was doing that one. Now this is the transition. This is the effect, like that turning and everything. You see how it's turned. So that is what they call transition. There are different. Look at this one. This zoom, this glowing. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Okay. Let me see. Let me say I want to use this one now. I can put it here. Let's use this one. See now, look at it. See, so that is transition. And then let me show you the caption since my internet is not connected, right? Let me show you the caption. The auto generator. If I click auto generate now, let's watch and see. That is when you want to write subtitle automatically. You click the caption. You know, I was trying to do it that time. Okay, now it's done. Look at it. You see now there's a caption. Okay, it's everything they say.
Food delivery for Mr. Ade. You're late. I've been waiting. Traffic was crazy today. Wait, you look familiar.
You see, so that is it about the auto caption. Let me just remove it. So this has to go about CapCut. Okay, what you need mostly is this split. When you generate all your video, drag it, bring everything in. Any part that you don't want, you can always cut it, click it, split, highlight it, and then delete. Okay, that is all you need. This is the basic you need for now. Okay, so you let me know if you are having any issue. You just let me know. So when you are done, when you are satisfied, then you just have to go ahead and click this export. Okay, look at this export. You just have to go ahead and click export, and then you see you go ahead and like write the title. You write anything, like let me say CapCut. So and then you click export, and then your video will be export into your computer successfully. So that's how to go about it.